Hi and welcome to this EZ-FLO 3.2 litre installation video. Here's what's included in your pack: an EZ-FLO unit, a feed rate cap, your tap connection, 3 flow discs and 2 tubing valves, a liquid converter attachment and a long length of black and clear tubing. The first step is to cut the ends of the black and clear tubing, ensuring that you have a small length of both. Next, connect the tubing valves between the long and short lengths of black and clear tubing. Ensure the tubing valves are in the off position. Connect the black tubing to the blue barb on the tap connection and the clear tubing to the green barb on the tap connection. Now, connect to your tap with your tap connection and unscrew your EZ-FLO feed rate cap. The EZ-FLO cap is set up for a water-soluble fertilizer. However, when using a liquid fertilizer, cut the agitation tubing inside the cap and simply attach the liquid converter. Be sure to keep the piece of cut tubing, as this can be attached later if required. EZ-FLO units 2023 and after now come with a pre-installed agitation valve option, so you will no longer need to cut the tubing inside the cap and install the liquid converter attachment. When using liquid fertilizer, simply turn the agitation valve off, and when using water-soluble products, turn the agitation valve on. Insert your funnel and fill your EZ-FLO unit with your chosen fertilizer. Now, connect your hose to your tap connection. Turn on your tap and open the black tubing valve. Top up your EZ-FLO unit with water to ensure there is no air left in the tank. After it's full, turn off your tubing valve and tap and screw on the cap. Push the black tubing into the blue collet on the cap and the clear tubing into the green collet on the cap. Open both tubing valves and turn on your tap. Your EZ-FLO installation is now complete. All that's left to do is to choose your feed rate setting, and your EZ-FLO unit will do the rest. When your EZ-FLO unit is emptied of fertilizer, it will be replaced with water. Empty the tank, and your EZ-FLO unit will be ready for your fertilizer refill.